Alright guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the ACT clutch and flywheel for a Hyundai Genesis Coupe 2.0. So let's first start off with the clutch kit. Comes with the alignment tool. So this is the clutch. You can see the friction material. Comes with the lubrication as well for the splines. There's the installation instructions. That says all the torque specs and everything you need to know. And this right here, the heavy duty pressure plate. It's quite heavy. It comes with the extra bolts as well. Let's see if we can open this up. So this is it. This is the pressure plate bolts. That's the clutch. Okay, move on to the flywheel. This is a Streetlite Flywheel. This is roughly, I think, 18 pounds. Comes with ACT stickers. Nice, this is the flywheel. It's quite heavy. Oh, damn. That is quite heavy. There's oil on there to keep it from rusting up. So this is the lightweight flywheel from ACT. Has the pilot bearing already installed into it, so you don't need to buy a pilot bearing with this flywheel, as you can see in the middle. Alright guys, thanks for watching.
Down.